Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, continuation of exercise problems. So second question, an object thrown at a certain angle to the ground moves in a curved path and falls back to the ground. The initial and final points of the path of the object lie on the same horizontal line. What is the work done by the force of the gravity on the object? So this is the question. In the question, one object is there. If the object is thrown from the ground, it reaches again ground. So initial and final points of the object is same. See here, this is the object ball. It is on, this is the ground. So if the object is thrown curved path like this is the initial point of the object, this is the final point of the object. The path of the object is parabola. So initial and final point of the object is same. Here displacement of the object is h equal to 0. So here work done is potential energy. Gravity of the object is acting downward direction. At any point of the path, object acceleration due to gravity acts downward direction. In this case, height of the object is 0. So potential energy P equal to mgh. Mass of the object m and acceleration due to gravity x towards the ground h equal to 0. mg into 0. So potential energy of the object is 0. Here potential energy is 0, but acceleration due to gravity is x towards the ground. So the work done on the given object by gravity is 0 joule. That is the work done value. Next question. A battery light, a bulb. Describe the energy change involved in the process. So in a battery light, which type of the process is involved? Means energy changes, how the energy is changes. So in a battery, we are generally use the cells or batteries. In case of cells or batteries, which type of the equipment is there? Here chemicals are present in the battery. So in the chemical, which form of the energy? Chemical form of the energy. So when the switch of the battery light is on, then the bulb is glow. In that situation, in the battery, chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. After that, electrical energy is converted into heat and light energy, because surrounded of the bulb some heat is produces. So heat as well as light energy is involved. So first of all, chemical energy in the battery, chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. Further, electrical energy is converted into heat and light energy. So answer, in battery light mainly works on batteries. In batteries as chemical store in form of the chemical energy. So in batteries, chemical is available. So here chemical energy, when we switch on the battery light, the chemical energy converted into electrical energy. So battery light has chemical energy is converted into electrical energy when we switch on the battery light. Later, this electrical energy further changes into heat and light energy. That is the process involved in the battery light. Next question. Certain force acting on 20 kg mass changes its velocity from 5 meter second inverse to 2 meter second inverse. Calculate the work done by the force. In this question, there are given the mass of the object is 20 kg, its velocity is 5 meter second inverse to 2 meter second inverse. So this is the mass of the object 2 kg. So initial velocity of the object is 5 meter second inverse. Final velocity of the object is 2 meter second inverse. So here which formula is suitable? Kinetic energy. So kinetic energy K equal to half mv square. So initial kinetic energy formula Ke equal to 1 by 2 m u square, where u is the initial velocity of the object. So 1 by 2 into 20 mass of the object into initial velocity of the object 5 whole square. So total value 250 joule. Similarly, we have to find out the final kinetic energy. So final kinetic energy formula K equal to 1 by 2 mv square, where v is the final velocity of the object. Here final velocity object is 2 meter second inverse. So 1 by 2 into 20 into 2 whole square. So total value 40 joule. But here we have to calculate the work done by the force. Work done by the force is equal to change in kinetic energy. Change in kinetic energy means final kinetic energy minus initial kinetic energy values. So final kinetic energy value is 40 minus initial kinetic energy is 250. So 40 minus 250 minus 210 joule. Here this is the negative energy. So the negative sign is indicated for work done is completed against the gravity. Here force and displacement are in opposite direction. That is the reason for negative sign. So next question. A mass of 10 kg is at a point A on a table. It is moved to a point B. If the line joining A to B is horizontal, head is the work done on the object by the gravitational force. So one object is there, it is placed on the table at a point A. After that it moves to point B. So if A and B points are joining, that is a horizontal line. So in this case, work done on a object by the gravitational force we have to calculate. Here in this case 10 kg mass of the object, initial and final points are on the table only. So displacement of the object is 0. Displacement of the object h equal to 0 or s equal to 0. In this case, which type of energy is stored? Potential energy. So potential energy P equal to mgh. So P equal to mg into h value is 0. So total potential energy is 0. Here total potential energy is stored in the form of work done. That work done gravity is 0. Here total energy value is 0, but here gravitational force is acting towards the ground. Next question. The potential energy of a freely falling object decreases progressively. Does this violate the law of conservation of energy? Why? So violate means fail to completely with a rule. So fail to completely rule means freely falling body, this case is fail. So if the fail or not, we will check it. So first of all, the potential this question is not possible, because here this is no, not possible. This method does not fail. Why? Because if the object is fall from a height, then the potential energy is gradually decreases. We have already seen this case. When a body is in freely falling position, so potential energy is gradually decreases as well as increases with kinetic energy, but kinetic energy value is increases, but the total mechanical energy of the object is remains constant. That's why this is correct statement, not to be fail. If the total energy value is changes, so in that situation it is the fail. Here this is not possible, so that's why no, this method does not fail. This is because once a body falls from a height, then its potential energy is gradually decreases as well as increases kinetic energy. Potential energy is gradually decreases and kinetic energy is gradually increases. But total energy of the object is remains constant. That's why the law of conservation of energy is does not fail. That is the answer. Next question. What are the various energy transformations when occur when you are riding a bicycle? So when we ride a bicycle, in that situation, energy is how they transfer the energy various forms. First of all, when we riding a bicycle, by the which energy is basically used? Muscular energy. First of all, in riding a bicycle, muscular energy is used. This muscular energy is converted into mechanical energy when the cycle is in motion. So muscular energy is converted into mechanical energy. After the mechanical energy, it produces surrounding heat energy. So when riding a bicycle, muscular energy is converted into mechanical energy as well as heat energy. That is the answer. Next question 8. Does the transfer of energy takes a place when we push a hug rock with all your might and fail to move it? When is the energy spent going? This is the situation in your mind when a person is pulling a large amount of mass of a object. In that situation, how the force is acting? Force acting this direction and displacement is acting this direction, but displacement is 0. Displacement direction is this direction, but actual displacement of the object is 0. So W equal to F dot S. Here work done is 0. So here work done is 0 work done, but here we are applying this some force. That the energy is transferred into heat energy. So that is the formation of energy in this case. We are applying some force, means we are consuming some amount of energy. That energy is converted into heat energy. This is answer. When we push a large rock, there is no transfer of muscular energy to stationary rock. Here the energy transmission is not possible between the person to large amount of mass of the object. Also there is a no loss of the energy as a result of muscular energy is transferred into energy which causes our body to become hot. That's why our body becomes hot. Here the consumption of our body energy is produces some heat to the surrounding. Next question. A certain household has consumes 250 units of the energy during a month. How much energy is in this in joules. So here we have to convert 250 units into large amount of units, means higher units. Higher units means generally in our homes measure the power is in units. So here 250 units can be converted into kilowatt hour. 1 unit is equal to 1 kilowatt. We have already discussed at the topic of power. 1 unit equal to 1 kilowatt. 1 kilowatt means 3.6 into 10 to the power of 6 joule. So 1 unit is equal to 3.6 into 10 to the power of 6 joule. Now we will convert the 250 units into 250 kilowatt hour. Here 250 into 1 unit equal to 3.6 into 10 to the power of 6 joule. So 25 into 3.6 into 10 to the power of 6, here 10 to the power of 1, total 10 to the power of 7 joule. So 25 into 96, 90 into 10 to the power of 7, 9 into 10 to the power of 8 joule. Next question 10. An object of mass 40 kg is raised to a height 5 meter above the ground. What is its potential energy? We have to calculate potential energy. The object of mass 40 kg is raised to 5 meter, that is the height. What is its potential energy? So we have to calculate the potential energy after. If the object is allowed to fall, at this situation find the kinetic energy when it is halfway down. At the middle point we have to calculate the kinetic energy of the object. So given that mass of the object is 40 kg and height is 5 meter, acceleration due to gravity g equal to g 9.8 meter second square. Here potential energy formula mg h m40 g 9.8, height 5 meter. So total value 1960 joule. So it is half of way down, means middle point. When it is come to freely falling, we have to calculate the kinetic energy. At middle point kinetic energy, what happened? It maybe gets the half of the total energy. So this is nothing but total energy value. So energy by 2, 1960 by 2, its kinetic energy value is 980 joule. At middle point kinetic energy value is 980 joule. Next question 11. What is the work done by the force of gravity on a satellite moving around the earth? Justify your answer. So when a satellite is moving around the earth, in that situation what is the work done? We have to justify the answer. So this is the situation. So this is the satellite. The satellite is revolve around the earth. So this is the rotation of the earth. So in this situation, at particular point we have to identify the force acting on the satellite and displacement of the satellite. In this situation we have to identify the force and displacement of the object is at particular point. This is the point. Force is acting tangential direction and displacement of the object. So actually the force and displacement are in perpendicular direction. So this is the force, this is the displacement. So here angle 90 degrees. So in this situation work value is 0. That is the answer. This is the answer. Work is completed whenever the given two conditions are satisfied. We know that two conditions. One is force acting on the body. Second one is displacement. There is a displacement of the body when the satellite is moving around the earth. When the satellite is moving around the earth, the displacement of the object is 0 because initial and final points are at same situation. So displacement of the object is 0, and also force and displacement are in perpendicular direction. So work done value is 0. The force and displacement are in perpendicular direction. So work done by the satellite is 0. So work of the satellite is 0. 0 work done. So that is the answer for the question. Thank you.